Day 59. It is pretty smoky out here, but it could be worse, I guess. I'm going to go and get more wood today. I need to top up this load that I kind of didn't get enough wood for. So I threw one row off. That way I have a little bit more room in there. And so I'm going to head up the road and go cut some wood today. And hopefully get it all split and get the truck loaded so I'm ready for tomorrow. So that's kind of the plan. I think I'm going to head up there right away and get that done. So, welcome to Soreback Adventures. Follow me this summer as I travel the BC Kootenays in the Canadian Rocky Mountains. Well, I got a bit of a load, so I'm hoping that's going to be enough. I got a little bit of birch in there this time too. So. Well, I'm not going to lie to you. I am completely exhausted. I went up the road and got some more wood. I got it all split up, and the truck is loaded ready for tomorrow. I also found a little bit of birch. It's not quite dry. I'm going to let it sit for a week or two, and got the site kind of cleaned up. Ran the Jenny for a bit, had the splitter going and whatnot, so I'm going to take it easy. That's it for me today. My back's starting to feel it, and so that's enough. The smoke has cleared up quite a bit from this morning, so that's kind of a bonus. It was pretty hot today, probably 27. I don't think it got too much hotter than that, but that's still hot enough. So yeah, that's it. I'm going to get some food on the grill here pretty quick, light the fire, and get cooking on that probably, and that'll be it for today. So okay, today I'm going to try something different. There's my paper towel. This I got some birch today, so this is the bark, and it burns like crazy. So I am going to try and light the fire with birch bark and a paper towel, but I have a feeling this is going to just take off like crazy. So got lots of this birch bark, so let's try it out. Thinking that'll do it. Let's find out. All right. See, that's how crazy this stuff burns. Wow. I think it's going to go. Just crazy. Well, there you have it. Fire. Yeah, I'm not sure what it is about that birch bark, but it sure has a lot of fuel in it. It just takes off like crazy. Well, even though the smoke isn't so bad right here, it is around. That band, which looks kind of like cloud, is not cloud. That's a band of smoke coming from the fire and heading kind of northeast. So cutting all this firewood, you end up with a lot of waste around site, like all this bark and whatnot. Got a pile here and a really good fire there. And another pile here that I got to deal with. And that's why the fire is so big right now, because it's easy just to get rid of it and burn it and call it good. There's a lot of birch bark in here again. That's why it's so big. And you can tell with the black smoke that comes off the birch bark. Yeah, a lot of fuel in there. Well, dinner tonight is the usual potato pack. So I'm going to get that on right now. And I got corn for tonight. So I'm also going to put water on and slowly get that heating up. And then we'll get that boiling in a bit here and get the corn on there. Corn. This is going to be good. Came in fresh the other day, they said, at the store, so should be good. Oh yeah, look at that. That is a good looking corn. Oh yeah. Maybe I just throw it right in there and make popcorn. Whoa, there goes one already. Whoa. Well, that's pretty good. That is going to be good. I don't even know if it's going to fit in the pot. I might have to cut this in three. This is what we do when we need to dry a little bit of wood. You just stack it around the fire and keep the fire burning hot. Well, as soon as I seen the ghost, I put the fire out and went in. I've never seen a fire change color so fast like that. It was pretty crazy. So I hope to make it to day 60. Thanks for watching, guys.